How to fix the issue of new hard drive not showing in disk management. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly go to Start menu and type Disk Management. Tap and open on this application and the window of Disk Management will open on your screen. Right click on the C disk, simply go to Change Live Letters and Path. Go to Change option. Then after in the list of the names, you can simply choose Other Letter. Now once you change the letter for this drive, you will be able to find it now in Disk Management. So that's it. That is how easily you can fix the issue of new hard drive not showing up. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.